the sunset falls on the ocean tonight, golden light shining in your eyes, so bright. Warm island breeze blowing through your hair. Everywhere you go, girl, beauty everywhere. From the village road to the sandy shore, my heart keeps knocking on your door. Every smile you give makes my world brand new. Baby girl, my heart belongs to you. Oh, my island sweetheart, you're the rhythm of my soul. Like the tide cools the ocean, girl, you make me lose control. Oh, my island sweetheart, underneath the coconut moon, hold me close, my darling, never let this love leave too soon. Walking barefoot down the moonlit sand, your soft little fingers holding my hand. Stars above shining just for you and me, like a love story written in the sea. Girl, your laughter like a melody, sweetest sound that ever came to me. From the mountains high to the deep blue sea, forever, girl, you're the one for me. Oh, my island sweetheart, you're the rhythm of my soul. Like the tide pulls the ocean, girl, you make me lose control. Oh, my island sweetheart, underneath the coconut moon, hold me close, my darling, never let this love leave too soon. Ooh, I love, you're my sunshine, morning light on the reef. When the world gets heavy, girl, you bring me peace. Hand in hand forever, just you and me. Island love story for eternity. Oh, my island sweetheart, you're the rhythm of my soul. Like the tide pulls the ocean, girl, you make me lose control. Oh,